How's everybody doing tonight? This morning, actually. Hope you are well. Can you hear me? How's our volume? Testing 1 2. How's it even when I speak soft? I'm speaking soft. How's the volume? Check 1 2. Talk to me. The hell's taking so long? Good. Thank you. Something I've noticed that I think is worth bringing to attention. My whale crew already knows, but I would say a small yet valuable detail that I recently discovered that could give us a little bit of confidence, although actually I don't really like what I'm seeing here. What I noticed was that out of the last 14 quote-unquote pumps, 12 had a dump. Only 2 of those actually had a second pump. Which time frame was I looking at when I looked? This was one that didn't. But I mean, honestly, we've been just repeating the same pattern over and over. These pumps that happen, everyone should be shorting these. Everyone, I shouldn't have to even say anything. When these, that's Bitcoin's pattern right now. It's the simplest one, where it just pumps and then dumps, pumps, dumps. These sporadic pumps out of nowhere, they always end up dumping. Even this, like if we look at here, what is that, 73, 70, 76, even it's still dumped. Definitely got to take your profit. You definitely don't want to be sitting in it too long. I hope I'm not muted. Normally when Bitcoin pumps and then dumps soon after, typically that means we go down lower, that we see another move to the downside. In my opinion. We do have, when was it? I think it was like 3 days ago. I thought about, I was going to do a video. I didn't end up doing it. But I was going to give us like a 2 to 7 day window for a pump. But and so what I'm looking at here, right, is we're looking at these money flows, and we are curving up, and when we get to like a section like this, there are pumps. You know, like if we look in like the meat in here, like when it's getting, look at the meat, you look up and you see that it's pumps do happen now that we are kind of on the tail end here. So, and if you're not longing it, I'm not saying you have to long it, but you at least have to know in your mind if you're using leverage to, if you're anything over 7 leverage, you need to be just taking your profit, not sitting in those positions, or else you'll just get whacked real quick. let's start from the top here. I haven't sat down and gotten a good. I haven't taken a look at Bitcoin, so let's take a look now and let's see what we see. We're on the weekly right now. It's very thin. We're thin on the money flow. That's for sure. This is a gaping hole, right? And so if you look at another gaping hole, see what happened, you know? Yeah, and we can't expect something this big as far as the money. It's not going to be this big. It's later in the trend, so it's going to be something smaller. So let's see here. We were in the red for a little bit before we dumped. Is it really that long away? A couple months, boy, I tell you. Yeah, it is. Even in March. I said this, I was talking to a homie about this just a couple days ago. Yeah, January, February, it might be ugly. From what I see right here, it can always change, but it's looking a little ugly. Look, I forgot about this too. I've mentioned this before. These fangs are a momentum wave pattern that we have seen before, and they are bearish as hell. It's like droopy. Well, I won't go there, but it's fangs, and they sink. What do fangs do? They sink their teeth in and suck your blood. So we'll see if this ends up being a fang. That would be a terrific confirmation for us. A amazing confirmation. Now the weekly, this is the 5-day. Like when we were back here, right? Remember we were hoping for this to be a strong enough anchor and trigger, and there was a little pump of boy when this red dot came. We were like, shit. So if this curves into a fang, this is getting kind of pump time. It is curving. Let's take a look at the 3-day. 3-day bang. Would you look at that? Would you look at that? Would you look at that? Still dragging down the daily, or the 2-day on the daily. It's fighting here. It's fighting for a little upward movement. Not trustworthy. Certainly is not trustworthy for a long at all. But tell you what, if we get a nice spike up, could be some juicy shorts. Could be some juicy shorts. Oh shit. Sorry about that. Good thing I have a cover on my webcam. I could be butt-ass naked for all you guys know. How much was that blocking? It wasn't blocking that much. It wasn't blocking that much. You guys know what's going on. Alright, let's take a look. See here. Let me where were we? Alright, so we're looking for these fangs. We want these fangs to play out for a bearish confirmation. Looks like we had a little pump. Looks like we could have maybe a little drag. We have a couple small fighting signs. This money flow, as I zoom in, money flows looking a little better as far as, or excuse me, a little bullish. This is pretty bullish right now, actually. And on the 4-hour, we are just breaching right? We're about to breach. That doesn't mean we're going to go up forever. Look at our last breaches. Boom. You know, we came in here. Let's see. This breach didn't turn out good at all, right? Came in here and it still dumped. But afterwards, we fought back. It came back, breached again, and that was the big one. So, like, if the price goes down on this one, we'll take a look. We'll take a look. There's opportunity both ways. There's opportunity both ways. Opportunities both ways. Definitely take profit trade style, not trades to be sitting and holding, wishing and hoping. That's for sure. I'll be right back. Okay, so overall consensus up until this point, without going into these much smaller time frames. Definitely looking. We're looking for these fangs to play out. Absolutely, there's still room for pumps. So we are not just going to go straight down, folks. There is going to be some price action to the upside. Absolutely. And then definitely it'll come back down to either where it was before or lower. This I feel I can know for a fact. So this is not it would take it would take a lot of strength to show that this is a quote unquote bottom. So whatever price we're at right now is what, 7,300. We certainly have lower to go. Our team is kicking ass. I just checked it today. We were in 3rd place, baby. Way to go. The Crypto Face team. And we don't have 1,000 members, baby. We got 140, 150 people. 3rd place, baby. Come on, Cranfield. Where's Cranfield? Where Cranfield? It's all good. We still got still a lot of time. But you know what? I tell you what. If we place top 3 in English, I would be so proud. Because when you have a bunch of people on your team, listen, there's going to be people using the minimums, 100xing, 50xing, and the probabilities, some of them are going to hit it. And so I just want my people to be good. Ban Hebao. Man, you are the man of the show. You are carrying our team. Crypto Klepto, carrying the team. Fucker, you are carrying the team. All you guys, so proud. Good shit. I'm gonna definitely have to do a little prize. I'm gonna have to certainly do a prize for my team. Um, Let me crunch some numbers. Let me crunch some numbers here. Let's crunch some numbers. Let's crunch some numbers. Thinking maybe I'll do $100 for 4th through 10th. First place on my team, I'm thinking 1,500 to 2K is kind of what I'm thinking. Second place, $1,000. Second place, third place, 500. I think that's what I'll do. I think we're gonna do 1,500 first prize. Or maybe I should just make it a big number. How much are they trading with? Or maybe I could, whatever they make, match it. You make 0.1956, matching it. Maybe even triple first place. Match second place and double third place. That's what we're going to do. Third place gets more money than second place. What was that, pup? You being a good boy? Yeah. My fridge is broken. And so someone's coming tomorrow to fix it. So I have my freezer's kaput, fridge is kaput, my fridge is room temperature, so all my food is spoiled. I've had to live off of cheeseburgers and french fries. Which, isn't out of the norm. Oh, Sid. You've been eating more cheeseburger and french fries, huh? Yeah, so top 3 on the CryptoFace team. You're going to get paid. And I think the top 10 should as well. I think top 10's going to get paid. I'll have to make a video, so. Yeah. 12 of the last 14 moves to the upside end up just coming right back down or lower. I think that's pretty much all I have to say. Yippee-ki-yay. I'm very proud of my team right now. It's not over yet. Our boy Ban Habao. Hopefully he doesn't mess this up. Ban Habao. If you get first place, bro, I'm gonna triple your profit. We're gonna do the match triple. We're 13th in the world. All right, folks. See you guys later.